This little bottle claims it can heal, repair, and transform your skin from within. Too good to be true? Let's find out what's really inside the Rejuran Turnover Ampule with CPDRN 0.5%. So, hey guys, welcome back to Boundless with Shallow. In my last video, I introduced you to PDRN, the so-called skin healer, and I promised I would test the famous Rejuran Turnover Ampule. Well, I have been using it for 1 full month now, and today I am finally ready to share my honest results. So first, what exactly is PDRN? In simple terms, PDRN is a tiny piece of DNA that comes from salmon. PDRN is extracted from salmon, but not just any part, it actually comes from the sperm cells of salmon. Scientists discovered that this part of salmon DNA is very similar to human DNA, which makes it easier for our skin to recognize and use. Of course, it goes through a purification process, so what you get in skincare is clean, safe, and stable. Think of PDRN as your skin's own repair manual. Whenever your skin is damaged, whether from sun, aging, or breakouts, PDRN helps your skin read the instructions to repair itself faster, make fresh new cells, and strengthen your skin barrier. That's why it's often called a skin healer because it doesn't just sit on the surface of your skin, it encourages your skin to heal and renew from within. And by the way, if the name Rejuran sounds familiar, that's because this ampule is from the same brand that makes the famous Rejuran Healer injections you see in the clinics. The injections are the professional in-clinic treatment with high-strength PDRN, while this turnover ampule is the at-home skincare version, gentler but inspired by the same technology. Now, PDRN mainly comes from salmon, but you might also see some skincare ingredients made from plant DNA or RNA. Salmon derived DNA is animal based DNA and it's extracted from salmon sperm cells. It's found in Rejuran turnover ampule and also Rejuran healer injections. So, some of the benefits of salmon DNA is that it's highly similar to human DNA, so skin can easily recognize and use it. It promotes strong skin repair, regeneration, and elasticity. It's clinically proven to improve wrinkles, skin texture, and barrier function, and it's best for people looking for strong regenerative results. Now, plant derived PDRN is also known as vegan PDRN, and the sources are wild ginseng, as used in VT PDRN Essence 100, and rose, that's used in Medicube Rose PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. So the benefits of plant-derived PDRN is that it supports skin repair and renewal in a gentler and natural way. It helps with hydration, radiance, and firmness. It's vegan and suitable for sensitive skin, and it's best for people who want a gentle plant-based alternative. So, when choosing a PDRN product, consider the source that aligns with your values and your skin needs. Plant derived PDRN offers a vegan friendly option with gentle, natural benefits, while animal derived PDRN is known for its potent regenerative properties, and both have their unique advantages. So, it's all about what works best for your skin and your preferences. Now, the Rejuran Turnover Ampule is a Korean skincare serum designed to reveal a youthful glow and rejuvenate the skin. Its star ingredient is CPDRN. It's a marine based growth factor derived from salmon DNA that helps improve skin tone, texture, and radiance. Rejuran is the OG of PDRN, pioneering the use of this ingredient in skincare to support skin regeneration and repair. Now let's talk about the packaging. The Rejuran Turnover Ampule comes with a glass dropper that has a plastic pullback. When you pull the plastic back, the dropper becomes quite long, which helps reach the bottom of the vial and dispense every last drop of the serum. However, for people with small hands, the long dropper can feel awkward to hold while applying the serum evenly on the face. This makes the application a bit tricky, and some users may prefer to dispense drops onto the palm first before spreading on the face. So while it's designed to maximize the serum usage, the dropper isn't the most user-friendly for everyone. This serum has a lightweight, slightly viscous gel serum texture. It spreads easily and absorbs quickly into the skin, and it leaves a hydrated, plump feel without any greasy or sticky residue. So first, cleanse and tone your skin. Then dispense 2 to 3 drops onto your palm, or if you find it convenient, put it directly onto the face. Spread the serum evenly across your face using your fingertips and pat lightly to aid absorption, especially on the fine lines and dry areas. Follow it up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration, and you can use any active with this serum. This serum layers well under other treatments or creams, so it's suitable for both morning and nighttime skincare routines. What makes this serum unique is its focus on repairing damaged skin, whether from environmental stress, sun exposure, or acne scars, or cosmetic treatments like lasers and chemical peels. It calms and rejuvenates damaged skin. It's perfect for skin damaged by laser treatments, chemical peels, or cosmetic injections. It helps soothe irritation and restore skin's natural health. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles, age spots, sun damage, and acne scars. It supports natural collagen production to improve elasticity and firmness. It minimizes pores and shine on the face. It helps skin look smoother, more even, and refined. Some of the clinical studies confirm increased skin smoothness and visible improvement in skin texture. Studies by the Korea Institute of Dermatological Science showed faster healing of burns, laser, and chemical peel scars when using the ampule twice daily for 2 weeks. It also improves dermal density and elasticity. Users had firmer, younger looking skin with fewer wrinkles. It enhances results post cosmetic procedures. Damage and irritation from multiple cosmetic injections healed faster with better visible results with this serum. Now let's talk about the key ingredients in this serum. So it contains 5000 ppm or 0.5% CPDRN. CPDRN promotes skin regeneration, collagen production, and anti-aging effects. It has hyaluronic acid that hydrates deeply and plumps the skin. Niacinamide brightens and even out skin tone. It also has licorice root extract that helps reduce pigmentation and dark spots. Blueberry and calendula extracts, these are the antioxidants and they have soothing benefits. Adenosine has anti-wrinkle and skin firming properties. So over the past month, I have been testing several PDRN serums like Rejuran Turnover Ampule, the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum, and the Enua PDRN Hyaluronic Acid Capsule. And I have to say, Rejuran's really stood out. Rejuran Turnover Ampule contains 5000 ppm or 0.5% CPDRN, a high and clinically balanced concentration that promotes skin regeneration, healing, and anti-aging effects. My skin feels plumper, firmer, and smoother, and the radiance and texture have noticeably improved. Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum surprisingly has a higher concentration of PDRN, that is 10,000 ppm or 1%, but because it's highly fragranced and formulated differently, I didn't see the same visible improvements. While it hydrates, the anti-aging and regenerative effects are less noticeable compared to Rejuran. Enua PDRN hyaluronic acid capsule serum contains very little PDRN, only 100 ppm or 0.01%, so it mainly provides hydration and mild barrier support with minimal impact on firmness and fine lines. So, in my experience, the balance of concentration and formulation in Rejuran makes it the most effective for visible skin improvement. It's easy to see why it's called the OG of PDRN in skincare. If you are looking for a serum that supports skin regeneration, anti aging, and healing, this is definitely one to consider. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but in my experience, it's worth it because of visible improvement in skin regeneration, elasticity, and overall radiance. For a serum that delivers real anti aging and healing benefits, the results justify the investment. So, have you tried any PDRN serums before? Let me know your experience in the comments. I would love to hear which one worked best for you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare reviews and tips. Till then, take care of your skin. Bye.